The novel coronavirus outbreak in the U.S., now the epicenter of the pandemic, has seen nearly 15,000 fatalities to date. The country is reportedly on track to have the world's highest death count within nearly 5 days, according to the latest projections.
The virus has infected nearly 1.5 million people across the globe, including more than 432,400 in the U.S. as of Thursday, according to the latest figures from Johns Hopkins University. Currently, Italy has the largest number of deaths in the world, with at least 17,669 fatalities. The country is projected to see its death toll surge to about 20,000 by around the 43rd day since 10 deaths were first reported, according to the Financial Times analysis of available data sources.
The U.S. death toll has been doubling nearly every 3 days through the 27th day since the 10th death was first recorded. From around the 31st day to the 34th day, roughly the current national standing, with nearly 15,000 deaths reported nationwide, the death toll has been doubling closer to every 4 days, according to the FT analysis.
By around the 39th day, 5 days from now, the number of deaths is projected to climb to nearly 37,500 in the U.S., with the death toll increasing by about 7,500 per day between the 38th day and 42nd day. This figure would overtake Italy's death toll in 5 days.
Health officials earlier this week warned Americans to brace for a surge in deaths this week. The U.S. saw its deadliest day yet earlier this week with nearly 2,000 casualties reported over 24 hours.
New York, New Jersey, Michigan and other parts of the country are expected to hit their peak number of deaths and hospitalizations this week, ADM. Brett P. Giroir, the Assistant Secretary for Health, warned on Monday.
"We may be seeing the worst upon us right now," Giroir said on NBC's Today Show. He also noted that experts believe some parts of the country are turning a corner because of all of the physical distancing that we're doing.
New York has been the worst-hit state in the nation, with at least 149,316 confirmed cases, including 81,803 infections in New York City, as of Wednesday. At least 6,268 have died across the state, including 4,571 in New York City.
But the state has shown signs of the outbreak slowing down, New York Governor Andrew Cuomo noted on Wednesday.
"We took dramatic actions in this state. New York pause program that closed down schools, businesses, social distancing, and it's working," Cuomo said at a press conference on Wednesday.
The measures is flattening the curve of the number of infections, and we see that again today so far. Meaning that curve is flattening because we are flattening the curve by what we are doing. If we stop what we are doing, you will see that curve change. That curve is purely a function of what we do day in and day out.
The tri-state area of New York, New Jersey, and Connecticut has seen a combined total of over 8,000 deaths among the area's more than 207,000 infected people.
The COVID-19 virus, first reported in Wuhan, China, has spread to at least 184 countries and regions. More than 332,400 have recovered from infections, while over 88,900 have died. The graphic below, provided by Statista, illustrates the spread of COVID-19 in the U.S. Data on COVID-19 cases is from Johns Hopkins University unless otherwise stated.